Midpoint Makerspace, and we have 3D printers that we worked with today. We learned about different types of filament and the 3D printing process and how to set up a 3D print. We've been open for about 3 years now. It's going pretty well. A lot of people from the community are using us as a great resource and learning a lot of different things that they didn't know about. Some best websites to go to would be Thingiverse. You can find STL files on thingiverse.com or printables.com. So you start with a STL file, you bring it into the slicing software, and then you set up your print in that software. Once it's done, you create a G-code, and then the G-code is saved to a flash drive, and then that flash drive is put onto the 3D printers, and then that file is read by the 3D printers, and it's able to print your design. It'll be shortly after you walk into the library. You'll just use, you can sign up for an appointment using your library card, and then you can use us and learn about the equipment that we have here. You can go to the midpointlibrary.org and click on services and go to innovation points, and all the other information is listed there.